Yeah, good morning to all. This is Naveen Kumar Street on Mojo. So in the previous class, we have seen about the available bitwise operators in C language, and in the today's class, what we'll see is we'll be discussing about each and every operator with the help of a program, right? So first one is a C program to demonstrate left shift operator. So I'm taking a new file here, right? And what I'm trying to do is I will be using the comments session for the first time. So this program is all about left shift operator, and this is the symbol we'll be using for that. So what I'll do is I'll be saving this left shift operator, right? So I'll be going on writing with the program, and once the program is done with the coding, then we'll be going with the explanation. Hash include cd io stdio dot h, hash include console input output dot h, int main. Then I'll go with the variable declaration here. A is equal to 10 comma b is equal to 0, right? Now the actual logic is implemented like this. Printf a is %d, b is %d comma a comma b. So this is all about the logic we do have. So once we are done with the code, we'll execute it, and if we do not find any errors and we are getting the exact output what we are expecting, then we'll be going with the explanation. So I'll go with the file, I'm saving it, I'm going with the execution part, I'm compiling it. So there is something like we have to include the semicolon here. Okay, I have forgotten. So now I'll be saving it again, execute it. So there is no warning, there is no error, and the compilation time is 36 seconds, right? And I am going with the running the program. So this is how. So when a is 10 and we are applying the left shift operator on the value of the a, then the b's value, which is 0, will be changing into 40. Up to now we are okay with the coding, but we have to understand the exact logic that is implemented here. So I'm going with the explanation here. So for explanation, I'm taking this. Now this is the concept of bitwise operator. That means we have to deal with the bits in the computer memory. So the concept is like this. So as we know that a is having the value of 10, right? So now when you are converting this numerical digit into binary digit, then it will be like 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 5. And we want this is 1, this is 2. I'll change the pen. Wait, in order to make you clear understand, I will change the pen here. This is 1, this is 2, this is 4, this is 8, this is 16, this is 16, and this is 32. Now in order to have the 10 here, what we have to do is we have to take the representation of only the numbers which are added up to 10. So if we are taking this one, and if we are taking this one, that is enough for adding the sum up to 10. So this will be 0, this will be 1, this will be 0, this will be 1, this will be 0, this will be this will be 0, right? So this is all about the concept of conversion of the given number into binary digit. This is fine. Now in the program, what we have did is we have taken the data type called as integer here, and when we are taking the data type called as integer, it will occupy two memory locations. I remember that it will occupy two memory locations. So based on that concept, the integer variable a, which is assigned 10, will be occupying two locations here. So one is 101, the second one is 102, and each memory location will be having 8 bytes of memory, right? So this is from left I'm writing, it will be like 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0. Then it will be all 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0. Fine, this we have understood. Now what we have to do is we have to go with b. Now as we know that b is taking some value called as 0, then this is for a, and if at all we look at b will be like, I'm coming from left right to left, 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. This is one cell, 104, 104, and this is 103 cell. That means we are taking b as integer, then it will occupy two cells here, 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0. Done with the assignment of the variable declaration. Now the question is like, we are taking the left shift, that means it will be shifted towards right. So if at all we write like this, a left shift to 2 means two positions are moved towards right, then it will be changing like this. So the a will be changed like, a will be changed like this, a will be changed like, so it is left shift, that means you have to move towards the left. So the a will be becoming like this, like 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 and 0. This is one cell. The second one again, 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0. So this is how you have to understand the concept of the shifting. Left shift means it will be shifting towards the left side, and right shift means it will be shifting towards the right side, right? So now if at all you calculate the value here, the value will be like this. So it will be 2 to the power of 0, it will be 2 to the power of 1, it will be 2 to the power of 2, it will be 2 to the power of 3, it will be 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 4, it will be 2 to the power of 5, it will be 2 to the power of 6, it will be 2 to the power of 7, right? So now on calculating this one we have to consider, this one we have to consider, and this one we have to consider, and this one you have to consider. These are the three things you have to consider when you are applying the shift operators. So here it is 8 plus here it is 32, and if we find here 0 in the starting position, it will be a positive number. If at all we are finding here 1, then it will be a negative number. So as of now, we have 0, that means positive, so it will be plus 40. So the equation, this one will be plus 40. So that's what we have got in the answer. So you just see this, and you just see this and try to understand that whenever a is given and we are applying left shift operator 2, then the value will be 40. So this is all about the left shift operator. So in the next class we'll be talking about the right shift operator. Thank you.